Watermelons are not only a refreshing summer treat, but also a joy to cultivate in your own garden. Growing watermelon plants can be a rewarding experience, provided you follow some essential steps and pay attention to their specific needs. In this video, we will walk you through the process of successfully growing and caring for watermelon plants, from seed to harvest. 1. Choosing the right variety. Before you start planting watermelons, it's crucial to choose the right variety for your climate and space. Some popular varieties include Sugar Baby, Crimson Sweet, and Charleston Gray. Consider factors such as the size of your garden, local climate, and the days to maturity of the chosen variety. 2. Selecting the perfect site. Watermelons thrive in warm and sunny locations. Choose a spot in your garden that receives full sunlight and has well-draining soil. Watermelons prefer slightly acidic to neutral soil with a pH ranging from 6.0 to 7.5. 3. Preparing the soil. Prepare the soil by incorporating organic matter such as compost or well-rotted manure. Adequate soil preparation ensures good drainage, essential for preventing waterlogged roots. Raised beds are an excellent option to enhance drainage. 4. Planting watermelon seeds. Start watermelon seeds indoors about 4 to 6 weeks before the last expected frost. Transplant seedlings outdoors once the soil has warmed up. Sow seeds directly into the soil or transplant seedlings, leaving enough space between plants, typically 3 to 5 feet apart, to allow for proper growth. 5. Providing adequate water. Watermelons require consistent moisture throughout the growing season. Be mindful of keeping the soil consistently moist but not waterlogged. Drip irrigation is preferable to avoid wetting the foliage, as this can lead to fungal diseases. Enjoying the video? Leave a like and subscribe. It really helps the channel out. 6. Fertilizing. Fertilize watermelon plants with a balanced fertilizer at planting time and again when the vines start to run. Too much nitrogen can lead to excessive foliage growth at the expense of fruit production. So choose a fertilizer with a balanced NPK ratio. 7. Support and space. As watermelon vines grow, provide support for the developing fruit using slings, mesh bags, or even old pantyhose. Proper support prevents stress on the vines and reduces the risk of fruit rot. Ensure that the plants have enough space to spread and keep the area around the vines free of weeds. 8. Pollination. Watermelons require pollination for fruit set. Bees are primary pollinators for watermelon plants. To attract bees, avoid using pesticides that harm pollinators, and consider planting bee-friendly flowers near your watermelon patch. 9. Pest and disease management. Keep a close eye on your watermelon plants for signs of pests or diseases. Common issues include aphids, spider mites, and fungal diseases. Use organic methods whenever possible and address problems promptly to prevent them from spreading. 10. Harvesting. Harvest watermelons when the fruit has a dull sheen. Thump the watermelon. A ripe one produces a deep, hollow sound. Use pruning shears to cut the stem, leaving a few inches attached to the fruit. Successfully growing and caring for watermelon plants involves careful attention to their specific needs at each stage of development. With the right variety, proper site selection, soil preparation, and vigilant care, you can enjoy the sweet rewards of homegrown watermelons all summer long. Happy gardening!